A detailed look at the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1's interior. Ford has been putting out its best face with the Mustang for nearly 60 years, with some short breaks. So many generations have passed through the assembly lines that hardly anyone thinks the Mustang line will ever roll out, which can't be said for some performance packages. The Ford Mustang Mach 1 is one of the performance-oriented packages customers had a chance to see in the late 60s and all up to the late 70s. Then, the Mach 1 took a short break until appearing again in 2003. Since almost 20 years have passed, in the meantime, we thought the Mach 1 was never to be seen again. However, Ford refuted us by introducing the all-new and modern Mustang Mach 1, aiming to make it better looking and performing than the GT from the start. With a 5.0-liter V8 engine delivering 480 horsepower and 420 lb-ft of torque, impressive braking and grip, enhanced exterior styling, and much more, the Mach 1 truly delivers on this promise. But how does this ride look inside? Comfort and convenience are maybe now more significant than ever, considering we've somewhat gotten used to digital solutions, premium materials, and exceptional craftsmanship. How much does the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1 offer in this area? Read on to learn more. Let's start with the overall comfort and practicality of the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1's interior, because that is indeed a significant point of a sports car looking to blend performance and a pleasant driving experience. You'll be pleased to hear this Mustang does the job quite well. The Mach 1 is well balanced and highly comfortable. Except for some road and exhaust noise, which some will actually enjoy, you'll find the ride extremely satisfactory. Thanks to the adjustable shock absorbers in different driving modes, the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1 allows for a soft ride in most situations. Of course, the quality and well-designed seats help with this, keeping the passengers secure and cozy even at higher speeds, and they look good, to say the least. The leather upholstery is indeed not at the top of luxury, but it's elegant and feels nice. Alongside these, other interior features that ensure a comfortable traveling experience are the dual-zone automatic climate control system and the admirable storage space. The 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1's interior has quite a few compartments for storing essentials, such as sunglasses, gloves, tech items, and drinks. But what we like even more is a 13.5 cubic foot trunk, which we didn't expect from a sports car of the Mach 1's class. Moreover, you get quite some extra space when you remove the rear seats. The only two negative points in the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1's interior include accessibility and interior layout. Some may dislike the fact that getting in and out of this ride is sometimes a real hassle. Also, as with any other Mustang interior, the Mach 1's one is overloaded with buttons, which makes it easy to push the wrong one in a hurry. Retro-inspired touches, tech, and entertainment inside the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Truth to be told, the interior of the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1 is not spectacular, but it has a retro-like spirit that slightly improves the feeling. For instance, the manual gear shift gets a white cue ball in the Bullet Edition, and the black leather seats arrive with an accent stripe. There is also an engraved badge with the model's chassis number and the Mach 1 writing on the center console. These touch-ups look great in a generally minimalist cabin. The 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1's interior is available in 7 unique instrument panel choices, including the silver arrow, the engine spun, the angled brush, the carbon zag, the carbon fiber, the linked graphite, and the dark spindrift, on the premium. All panels look equally stylish, so the choice comes down to your preference. At the center of the chosen panel is an 8-inch digital display, which is, as we mentioned above, surrounded by all kinds of buttons and knobs. The small screen and the manual operation are the retro-oriented features of this sports car. This may make the experience less pleasant, but the good thing is that you'll find all the standard tech features inside the Mach 1. Moreover, you can use voice control to put the tech in motion. The 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1 comes with the SYNC 3 package that ensures Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation compatibility. Of course, you can also use all kinds of apps for entertainment purposes, boosting the listening experience through the 9-speaker system. It's essential to note that there's also a 12-inch head-up display providing real-time performance information. You can customize it at your will and even save the settings for the next adventure. We also like that Ford offers a unique My Color feature, allowing you to change the colors of your gauges. In terms of safety features, the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1 comes equipped with standard components, although you may find it lacking some autonomous driving options. For more information on this, We recommend checking the official website,